The skies above Djibouti have witnessed a significant shift as the French Army Light Aviation (ALAT) officially retired its venerable SA330 Puma helicopters after over 3 decades of service. On June 3, 2025, ALAT announced via its official social media channels that these iconic helicopters are being phased out in favor of the cutting-edge NH90 Caïman TTH tactical helicopters, signaling a new era for French military aviation in the region. 2 NH90 units have already been deployed, transported from France via Antonov and 124 cargo planes, with 2 more scheduled for arrival later in August 2025. These modern aircraft come from the 1st and 3rd Combat Helicopter Regiments, RHC, based in Falsbourg and Étain, respectively. The introduction of 4 NH90s marks a substantial enhancement in France's aerial capabilities on Djiboutian soil. This upgrade aligns with the strategic overhaul accompanying the recent revision of the Defense Cooperation Treaty, TCMD, between France and Djibouti, signed in July 2024 and currently under parliamentary review. The 2-decade agreement renews the military partnership, preserving a non-automatic defense clause and clearly defining France's obligations in securing Djibouti's airspace. It also institutionalizes joint military air traffic control and a rapid response alert system for emerging threats. Crucially, the treaty solidifies Djibouti's position as a pivotal base for French operations targeting the Indo-Pacific and vital maritime corridors such as the Red Sea and Indian Ocean. The NH90 Caïman TTH is a NATO-compliant, European-built multi-role helicopter designed for tactical transport and combat support. It boasts a flexible cabin capable of accommodating 20 soldiers or up to 2,500 kilograms of cargo, including light armored vehicles. With a top cruising speed of 300 km per hour and an operational range nearing 1,000 km, the NH90 offers a significant tactical edge. Its sophisticated avionics suite features a digital cockpit, forward-looking infrared, FLIR, sensors, weather radar, and a helmet-mounted sight and display system, enabling effective operations under challenging visibility conditions. Protection against infrared and radar-guided threats is ensured by an advanced electronic countermeasures package developed by MBDA. For combat readiness, the helicopter can be armed with side-mounted machine guns or a 20 mm cannon pod, enhancing both offensive and defensive capabilities. This fleet modernization comes amid growing strategic rivalries in the region, where military presences from the United States, China, and Japan also converge. To reinforce its position, France has notably increased its defense budget contribution in Djibouti from 30 million to 85 million euros annually. The French forces in Djibouti, FFDJ, are simultaneously modernizing their ground and air assets, with plans to replace AMX-10 RC and VAB vehicles by Jaguar and Griffon armored vehicles. The air fleet is also evolving, transitioning from Mirage 2005 to the more advanced Rafale fighters. Furthermore, 2 Caracal EC-725 AP helicopters are slated to supplement and eventually replace the Puma models operated by the 88th Overseas Transport Squadron (LARSAC) at Air Base 188, Colonel Massart. The substitution of Puma helicopters by NH90 Caïman models is more than a mere equipment upgrade, it symbolizes a strategic recalibration of France's military footprint in East Africa. Coupled with the refreshed TCMD treaty, this comprehensive renewal underlines France's commitment to maintaining operational readiness and a credible strategic presence within a region marked by intensifying international military competition.